Yo, what's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Agnes Moisio, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. So, today we're going to cook some African green bananas, aka Matoke. So, guys, please like these videos and let me take you through my own way of making African bananas, African green bananas. So guys, this is a quick recipe for lunch or dinner maybe, and let me show you how I'm going to make my green bananas. And the recipe that I'll be using is so simple, so simple, anybody can make it. So you'll need green bananas, you'll need potatoes, you'll need tomatoes, you'll need some beef, and I have coriander, dania, and I still have two Royco cubes. So my beef is already pre-boiled. I boiled it because I don't want to take a lot of time when preparing this dish. So you can use any spices of your kind. I'm one person who is not into spices, so these all I'm gonna be using. So let's get this bananas and the tomatoes ready. So guys, I want to chop the bananas, and to avoid that sticky whatever, I'm going to put some oil on my ends so that they don't stick in my ends. Then so guys, I have everything ready now. Oh, and again, I forgot to mention red onion. You will need some red onion and some white onion. If you prefer white onion, it's okay, but you can use red onion. So everything is ready. Let's get cooking. So I have my onion. Let it caramelize. Do we say let the onion cook or let the onion caramelize? Let me know in the comment section. Cook the onion until it's golden brown. So this is going to take around 5 minutes. So let me now. So I'm going to add my tomatoes. Then I'll add some salt. Some salt on top of the tomatoes. I don't know why every time you cook tomatoes you have to put some salt. I think this is an African way of cooking. So I'm going to add my beef. Just keep on stirring until your tomatoes are cooked. So let the tomatoes cook with the beef before adding the green banana and the whatever. So I'm going to cover this for like 2 minutes. I'm going to give them like 2 minutes. So guys, at this point, I'm going to add my coriander. Wow, yo, I wish you guys can hear the aroma. So my tomatoes are already cooked, very well cooked, look. So at this point, I'm going to add my green banana, my potatoes. Bananas and potatoes cook so quickly. That's why I had already pre-boiled my beef. I mean. So let's add the green banana. Then I'm going to stir them. So at this point, guys, you can use any spice that you wanna use. So as I said earlier, I'm one person who is into spices, so I'm going to use just Royco cube. I think one is enough for me. This is too small. This is just dinner for one person. So I'll stir again, stir, and then I'll add some water. 1 cup of water will be enough to cook my beef. Then I think I need to add some salt. I think I need to season with some more salt. So I'm going to add some salt. So I'm adding some salt. Yo, what? Hey, I wish you guys can hear the aroma. So I'll cover this and let it cook for 10 minutes. So guys, let's meet after 10 minutes. So let's check on the progress. Yo, oh my gosh. I wish you guys can hear the aroma. The aroma in this. Hey, I think I need to give it some time. Yeah. So guys, it's been around 15 minutes. So let's check up if they are cooked. Oh my gosh. What? Can you just see? Potatoes, everything is cooked and ready to be served. So I'll switch off the gas. I'll cover them for like a minute. Then I'll serve. Woo! What? Hey, guys, can you imagine the aroma, the everything? Woo! Yo, guys, just check. What? Oh my gosh. Come, let's enjoy. Eat while art. Matoke cooked by Agi. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And again, let me know in the comment section, do you love matokes? If you do, let me know, do you have another way of cooking matokes, African matokes? So until next time, bye.